Hi, I'm Philpott, and this is the 100th Monkey. Whoa! That man is tight! There are 3 effects on this DVD, including the 100th Monkey, where a volunteer from the audience mind reads someone else. The more people concentrate on this, the better.
Yeah.
You got it. You thought of it. There's also Speechless, where you take away someone's ability to read. Right here. Okay. This will be temporary. You will get it back. Don't worry. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You guys can read this?
Yes.
Can you read it?
Indispensable.
That doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense. What? Sound it out for me, if you could. Kosisny. That's really close. That's actually really close. That's just sound it out.
Sure you can do this.
Well, good luck at me. That's good luck. I try to make you look crazy.
That's
That's so weird. Oh my god.
Applause!
I'm trying to figure out what you did to me. That was awesome. You heard me? This guy is incredible.